Look at all the different characters on the cabanas. There's Mickey and Pluto.
Y'all set me up just right. I'm at the head of the table.
I mean,
We figured you were gonna be late.
oh. Yesterday was Lookout Key. Today is Castaway Key. The sun is shining, not too hot. Nice breeze blowing. But y'all, guess what we getting ready to do? 5K. We're gonna do the 5K, get medal number 3, because that's what we do. We're not running though. We don't do that. But come along with us. And we also have a cabana on this island too. Say what? So we're excited, bringing you along. Enjoy the day, cause we out here.
There's Pluto, number 1 doubt. Well, Pluto.
Perfect time to come out.
Mickey.
We out there.
That's my man's. Spider-Man's. Favorite superhero.
Hey Mickey, my Pluto. And Minnie's over there. And so is Goofy. What's going on? Good morning, y'all.
All right, we are starting our 5K.
5K. Woo, woo.
5K.
Get it.
And we walking.
Water on board.
We walking, no judging.
Aquaman, we got the water on board. And we'll refill along the way.
Along the way. They have water stations along the way.
We walking this 5K. Me and Tory and Sam are gonna talk this whole entire 5K. Sure enough, it's gonna feel like minutes, y'all. Right. A little
like
minutes.
we getting our little, right now we're gonna
Minutes
pretend
add
that
up.
we're at Epcot and we're walking
There you
around
go.
the
Oh,
world
yeah.
a couple times. We got our agua with us.
That's
so
basically-
we'll have a good time. Miss
Basically,
Cleo,
that's what it is.
What happened to you, Miss Cleo?
Yeah, Cleo. Where you at?
Right.
So I used to run track, right? But I was a sprinter. I hated distance. Anything more than 400.
Oh, okay.
That was
Okay.
Miss Tawana.
It's okay. She'll catch us. We walking, right?
Yeah, I hated running, distance running. Anything more than 400, I was like, nope, no thank you. So,
I was just happy to be there.
so
Bring the right shoes.
during like the early part of training, they used to get us running laps after laps, and I was like, oh my God, I'm a sprinter. I don't need this stuff. But yeah, there's highly unlikely, especially at my big age, and I'm gonna be doing much more running. And actually, that's how me and my wife met during track season. She just came out so she could get next to me, and so yeah, she saw the chocolateness and was like, thanks to shout out to Big Daddy King, because brother helped the brother back in the days. If you know, you know what was going on in the late 80s, early 90s. See the plane. Is that Launchpad McQuack?
What is that?
I don't know what this is. I said, well, it's in the middle of things. Buoys, baby. Anchor. Maybe that's
And it
another
got the DCL on
anchor.
it.
Anchor.
In
DCL.
the Lord, throw your anchor anywhere, an anchor in the Lord. Oh, shit.
Oh, see.
I was anchored though.
You
I didn't
were
fall.
anchored, though.
I want to hold.
No,
Oh.
I wanna show y'all.
You were anchored, though.
All right,
Anchored. That's why I didn't fall.
look at him in front of the DCL. Yeah, that's real. I probably came off one of the boats.
That's real.
We're almost there.
Anchors and buoys.
We already want to quit.
Anchors and buoys.
We have a good conversation though. Right.
Anchors and buoys. We at the 100.
No, baby, that's 1,000. Let me go.
She like, I caught up.
Slow down here. Caught up and yes, she did. Looking good, mama. Looking good.
And barely sweating. Look at her.
Oh, she double lapped us. No, I'm just kidding.
Them short legs be getting it.
We got out this circle fast today, y'all. I don't know.
Right.
Looks like the This Life crew is ahead of us. They spotted Ray from like 2 miles. And we're like, oh, that's Ray. Yeah, they did.
No, keep going. We're gonna catch you guys.
All right.
All right.
Yeah, catch us, please.
We gonna catch you. Uh-huh.
I got good form. Like his daddy.
There goes the cabanas. We'll have to. All right. Headed in home stretch. We about done. Almost there. Doom, 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 doom. Cha, 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 cha. Do, 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 do. Cha, 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 cha. Do, 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 do. Cha, 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 cha. Do, 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 do. Cha, 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 cha. Dee, 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 dee. That's Chariots of Fire. And we about to finish off this 5K.
We got it.
Oh, they got their medals.
Got their medals. Woo, that was tough. Ran the whole way. Ran the whole. Okay, yeah, I think we did it last time. Ran the whole way, y'all. Ran the whole way, y'all.
No, y'all did.
Ran the whole way, y'all.
Medal number 3, y'all. Woo. Thank you.
All right, we are on the tram headed back, or headed to our cabana.
Yep. Oh,
That's the one that kept apologizing.
why the camera so I don't think the people want that close up of me. Y'all, we are at the new Cabanas off of Serenity Bay. And we're gonna check this out to see exactly what's different from the cabanas on the other side. So let's go and look at the Cove Cabanas. Look at all the different characters on the cabanas. There's Mickey and Pluto. Oh man, and we are right across from, what's the name of the barbecue spot? Hangar 98 Barbecue. There's Goof and my girl Minnie. She is amazing. There's Letty and Chef. Hey. There's the Obui Bar. Nice. And more restrooms are over here too, guys. And we are about at Cabana 15 at this point. Cabana 29, guys.
This is the family cabana. And it's kind of tucked away on the end. Or are there like maybe multiple families on the end? Size cabanas?
I think it stops at 31. The This Life family represent.
Oh, it's so nice. These are so nice. Brand spanking. Here goes the ship.
Oh, wow. Look at that. We got Donald.
Got Donald, number 1 duck. Ooh, this is nice. This is big.
I like this one. So both are still ready.
Here is a little changing station. Two lockers, It's nice, really nice. The seashells.
Y'all, I have found my hammock.
The missus has found the hammock. It's a wrap. Night, night.
In the hammock.
See what this water do. I heard it's cold. I can feel it on the sand. It's cold. More power to these kids. This water cold. I don't know. This is the Serenity Bay adult side. We're not on this side, but we have access to it. No kids. No kids allowed. No kids allowed. No kids allowed. When we've been here in the past, it's just like as if it's serene because you don't have the kids chirping. Here's the food offerings. Get steaks down here. I had a tuna steak down here. They cooked it just perfect. Loved it. Got the drinks, seating areas. We are on the tram, headed out.
We have had an amazing day. I got to sleep in the hammock. Castaway Key owes me nothing today, and we are calling it a day at the beach. Headed back to the ship, showered, and trying to figure out where we going for dinner. Don't know if it's going to be Palo or Pride or the Lounge.
No, we're going to the lounge.
I am LeBron. $5 for a photo. I'll be rich by the time I get back.
All right, we are at Palo Steakhouse. Getting in. Enchanté, mon frère. Enchanté. If you know, you know. Enchanté, mon frère. I think that was a reference. Ooh, that is so great. I think that's a reference from In Living Color, Frenchie. It's different. We've done Palo.
Oh, there?
Hi. We've done Palo several times, and that's different. Oh, there you go. There you go. There you go. King and queen. King and queen. Yeah. At the head of the table, just right. Y'all set me up just right. At the head of the table.
We figure you're gonna be late.
Oh, that's the second late shot, Sam.
You can use this one for your belongings as well.
Oh, you can sit down here.
Zimothy didn't say nothing. Zimothy didn't say I was gonna be late.
He said it quietly. He said it out loud.
Oh, that was an intercom.
That's the last one.
Boosh, boosh.
I love the
Yes, I wish we just get like a whole dish of it.
right?
Yeah, that is awesome.
What do you know? If it was bigger than this, probably it was spoiled, you know.
Yeah.
It would not be that good.
Yes.
Oh my God. I'm very happy that you're familiar
It's like
with it.
umami flavors.
Yes.
It's just.
The amuse bouche.
So y'all know how I feel about this calamari. Look at this.
Lovely. We used to do this.
And this big jumbo shrimp. Now this is the shrimp that I remember from the Marvel restaurant. Like it used to be this size, but they don't do that no more. But I'm gonna eat it tonight, and it's good. We got some fried Bailey. What's that? Basil.
Fried basil.
Fried basil, some peppers. Let's get into it. Sam's getting some type of soup, and so we'll show you that when he gets here. Chef done broke out the lamb chops.
As an appetizer, nonetheless. I'm like, I didn't see that. I thought that was your main course.
You better pay attention.
I don't even know what this is.
Chupin soup.
Chupin soup.
That did good. You ain't gonna finish that.
Exactly.
I'm gonna go ham on that.
It is good. Strip loin. It's pretty good. You got a
Very, very
wagyu.
hot. Yeah.
They
Heard
already
it.
got it sliced up for you, Renee.
Yeah, that's what I love, man. It's hot.
Don't cut it. Cut it this way.
Look at that, Sam.
I never figured that out either. Cut against the grain. I don't know what that is.
Beautiful cow.
That's perfect.
Oh, you thought, because I knew what was happening.
I don't know if you ever tried this way. Is to place the gelato inside to cool it down a little bit. And
Sometimes it's too hot. Sometimes it's too hot. Sometimes
and
it's
then you're
too
trying
hot.
to eat, and then you're burning yourself,
And you're
but
burnt.
it's so good that you want to eat some more. And it's like,
Erica.
Nobody ain't tell us that before.
Hey,
She just gave you a cheat
she
code.
just gave you the game.
She just gave you the cheat code, ultimate cheat code too.
Yeah.
This is Burger King.
Have a
Have
choice.
it your way.
All right, can you see that?
Cool.
You doing both at the same time? Look at this.
Because this is amaretto and that's chocolate. Chocolate comes with 2 sauces. But I want both.
Ooh, I pay attention when I'm in Palo.
Okay, our girl Erica just gave us the game. The cheat code. Up, down. Up, left, right, right. Up, down, left, right, select.
the trio. Coconut.
Oh, you ain't have to tell me. I know which one.
Pick it.
Happy birthday, Josh.
You're fine. Here.
Oh, I got a plate.
Yeah.
Oh, you kidding?
Thank you so much.
He got his. I just got off the pole.
Retirement.
All of this. Right?
Thank you.
Oh, these
Now
are good.
it's Scorpino Veneziano,
Little
lemon
palate
sorbet,
cleanser.
apple brandy and prosecco. Good cheer for Joshua's birthday. Thank you.
Yes.
It's Tory and Samuel anniversary, and of course, retirement.
Thanks.
Congratulations, happy birthday.
Salud,
happy
salud,
anniversary.
salud.
Retirement.
Thank you.
Tonight's towel animal is a little gorilla.